You have any troubles in your PC, or your PC is too slow? Don't need to worry, there is a simple way to solve it. Hey guys, this is Techno Hints. Today in this video I am going to show you how to tweak your system using 7 command lines in command prompt. Before going to this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Please encourage our videos by liking. Through more number of likes, my video will be recommended to many audience. So without wasting our time, let's go to the video. First we need to open the command prompt. For that, first go and search for CMD, select it and run as administrator. Now type the following command. Press enter. This particular thing will check the corrupted files in the disk, but it won't fix this. For fixing the corrupted files, type the following command, and click enter. If you need to continue, type Y and click enter. After this step you need to restart the PC. This thing will fix the corrupted files and improve the performance. Type sfc/scanno, and click enter. This thing will replace the corrupted files with cached copy. And it will take some time to complete. Now again type the following comment and press enter. This command helps you to rectifying the corrupted files in your operating system. After this rectification your PC will be much more faster. Now type the following command and press enter. If memory usage is 1, again type this following command and proceed it. This thing will improve the performance of the PC by increasing the page pool size. Now in this step go to your computer properties and check your RAM. Multiply your RAM with 1024. And finally divide it by 2. Now type the following command with that calculated value. And press enter. This thing will increase the virtual address space. This will also help you to improve performance. Now type the following command and press enter. By doing this thing it will improve the performance, and we get better latency. I hope these 6 command lines helped you to improve the performance of your PC. These settings will also help you in better gaming and productivity. Still there is any doubts, ask below in comments, and tell me whether my video satisfied your needs or still need an improvement in videos. Finally we came to the end of this video. If you like this video please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. If you already subscribed to our channel, thanks a lot for your wonderful support. Each of your support is very huge to me, so I need your wonderful care and support. So see you soon in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll